Ferry-dependent communities are strong. They are resourceful and they are self-reliant. But what they need is a connection they can count on. The ferries that we serve often don't have a road alternative. So the ferry is the only connection to the community. It is their lifeline. The inland ferries are a provincial service that we deliver along with our private sector operators. And in the past few years, we've been revitalizing those assets, upgrading terminals and building new ships.
When we started, to develop the project, we had in mind, that these 4 cable ferries, will need to be assembled in remote, waterfront location. We fully anticipate that we will have, like a BC shipbuilders, and the vessel, new vessel will be designed and built in British Columbia.
We had a contractual obligation to build 4 cable ferries for the Ministry of Transportation, located in areas from as far away as Kamloops to Harrop down by Nelson. So it's been great for these communities. They benefited by getting reliable ferries that were larger than the existing ferries that they had. We also employed people from the local community while we were assembling the ferry to help us with welding if possible, painting, laboring, whatever we could do. We used as many local people as we could.
We're a fairly close-knit community. People rely on the ferry to go to work, go to school, for friends, visitors to come. It's something that we can take for granted until it's not there. The lasting impact will be that people have confidence. They know they're going to get on. They know that the ferry is running smoothly. I think people have a greater sense of pride in the community with the ferry being accessible, and it's been a breath of fresh air.
These ferries are scheduled to last for up to 60 years. We build them well, we design them so that they're simple to operate, and make them so that they're durable. And because it's not in salt water, you don't have the corrosiveness of the rust that would come from the coast.
Inland ferries deliver ferry service to Indigenous and cultural communities. They provide access to natural resources, and they allow visitors to get off the beaten path and explore some of BC's natural environment. And a project like this has a lasting effect. It'll be in place for generations. And that's fulfilling for, I think, the project team, and it's great for the communities because it means they have a connection they can rely on.